there anything you didn't hit?
Why did we let the alien drive?
Hey, I got us here. And please, 5 stars. So, this is it?
That's it. That's your pyramid.
Wow, look at that thing.
What happens now? Oh, he's gone.
Yeah.
No good. You need a special key to get to the roof.
What now?
Time for me to abuse the power entrusted to me. We got a jumper on the roof. Gotta get up there fast or we're gonna have a human pancake on our hands.
You came all the way from Montana.
Yeah, that's how serious it is.
Okay.
You just saved a life.
How much longer? I can't breathe in here. Hello? Anybody there?
Do you have your child in that bag?
No. I mean, yes, it's a child, but it's not mine.
It's not your child.
Relax. I'm a cop, okay? Plus, he likes it in there, don't you, buddy?
Why would I like it in here? This is worse than the dog cage you had me in earlier.
Such a kidder.
No, I'm scared of the dark. Is anybody there? What were you keeping in this bag? A jar of pickled farts?
All right. What are we looking for?
This.
Okay, what happens now?
Now, all I have to do is think of where I want the other end of the ring to appear, and I throw it.
So that's it? We did it?
Yeah, well, we did it.
Hey, sorry we didn't get to do everything on your bucket list, pal.
It's okay. I did the ones I needed the most.
You two are so cute. Like,
Oh, please. What?
Like-
We are not.
No, we're not cute.
We are a couple of loose cannons just living by our own rules.
Exactly.
really?
Yeah.
And our rules include expressing heartfelt emotions.
If you say so.
Okay, then.
All right. You gotta go, right?
Yeah, I gotta go.
I gotta
so-
go. We gotta go too.
So, see, all right, bye-bye. Just one more thing. I'm sorry I was so hard on you. I know it's a tough decision for you to leave Green Hills. Walking away from something you care about has to be painful.
You're not sure you really want to go, huh?
I don't want to go, but I can't stay. As long as I'm here, I put everyone in danger. I can't do that. I just want you to know that these last 2 days have been the best 2 days of my life.
You know, I never thought I'd say this, but I'm actually gonna miss you, you little blue devil.
I'll miss you too, Donut Lord. Thank you
For what?
for saving my life. Okay, did someone leave their Find My Phone on? Ah.
Welcome to San Francisco, Mr. Wachowski. Are you enjoying the clam chowder?
It's the government whack job that keeps trying to kill us unsuccessfully. Nice for you to swing by on your way to Comic-Con.
Yeah, what are you wearing?
It's a flight suit designed to modulate my body temperature and reduce drag.
Yeah, and yet you still are one.
Ooh, good one. You are catching fire, Thomas. Oh, and speaking of heat, I see you've taken a lover.
Does she have a name, or should we just call her collateral damage?
Hey, watch your mouth. Unless you want a little more of what I gave you earlier. Punched him in the face.
Oh, you punched him right in the face. It was awesome.
The time for talking is over. It's time to push buttons.
Your flying eggs are pretty impressive, Mr. Eggman. But let's face it, you'll never catch me.
Confidence. A fool's substitute for intelligence.
That's not good.
Sonic, I know you got the super speed and everything, but Maddie and I?
Totally defenseless? Probably gonna get blown up?
Pretty much, yeah.
Don't worry. I know exactly what to do.
I was not expecting that. But I was expecting not to expect something, so it doesn't count.
So much is said about love, but not enough is said about the way you love. Here comes the sun.
Come on! Come on!
Oh, hi, Tom. Glad you're here. Could use some help. Old Bessie's about to give birth.
Give me a minute.